With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello dear students, here is assertion and reason type of question. The statement of assertion is, if dipole moment of water molecule were 0, then microwave cooking would not be possible. And the reason statement is, in microwave oven, water molecules vibrate due to oscillating electric field in microwave and heat the food. We know that in microwave oven, the water molecules vibrate vibrates as its dipole moment is not equal to 0, and due to which an oscillating electric field is produced. Oscillating electric field is produced in microwave and heat the food. So here the assertion statement that if dipole moment of water molecule was 0, then microwave cooking will not be possible. This is a true statement. When the dipole moment of water molecules becomes equal to 0, then in that case water molecule will not vibrate, and if water molecule will not vibrate, oscillating electric field will not be produced. So here assertion statement is true. Now the reason statement is, in microwave oven, the water molecule vibrate due to oscillating electric field in microwave and heat the food. So here reason statement is also true, and here reason statement correctly explains the assertion statement. Therefore option number 1, that is option A, will be the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.